Hi, Donald. Welcome to Bollywood Live.
Hi. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
So, this is
Like,
your first time with us? Is this your first time with Bollywood Live?
I think, like, interview-wise, first time, but you people have written some stories on me. I keep
All right.
reading.
So, let's make a good interview out of it. Okay. So, let me start with the thing first of all. Okay. We've been into lockdown for more than 2 months now. Okay. How you holding up will be a bad question right now because everyone's struggling with it. Okay. So, tell me, what are you doing to
Yes.
keep your mind space clear? What are you doing for that?
I am doing some exercises because I cannot sleep if I don't do something to, or tire myself. So exercising is very important. So you must have seen some videos also I've uploaded on Instagram as well. So yeah, all that I'm doing. I'm cooking also because I was never used to being alone, as in no maid, no help. So I'm doing everything on my own. So that's a big achievement for me, I would say.
All right.
So yeah, cooking. I've learned cooking also. Like I never cooked before, so I think I've turned out to be a nice cook in this quarantine. Any talent
Wow.
which I've attained, that was cooking only, I think.
All
So
right.
yeah, these two things are I always do. I watch movies also.
Hmm?
So yeah, these three things. Every night there is like one movie I'm watching or
So
the
I'm
other.
gonna circle back to all these questions once again. I'm gonna ask you everything: what you're cooking, what you're watching. All right. But let me ask you this question first. All right.
Yeah.
Since you be TV actors a lot, actors they're so busy that they're always on the toes. They have
Yeah.
to be on point. The rush is always there. So tell me, are you missing that rush? Are you missing the lights, camera, action, and the constant
Very
rush of
much.
it?
Very much. I miss all of them. So, what has happened now, though I've taken a break from TV for a while, like I was shooting for like 4 shows, 4 years back to back only. So, I never had that much of rest in my life. So, I
Right.
was like, the last day, when my Dil To Happy Haji went off air, the last day, what I did, I came home and I slept for 2 days.
Whoa.
Because I had not slept for a while. Like
Yeah.
every day, it was 4 hours of sleep, or 3 hours of sleep. Many a times you do extra hours also, like 15, 16, 17 hours a day. So, but I really thought that it would be really nice not to do something and not to go do shooting like 12, 15 hours a day, and it would I'll be very happy. I'll eat a lot of things. But now, when I am really not doing anything, I miss a lot. Like that busyness, I miss all those people who are there on set, and that light camera action. Obviously, I miss. I miss. Reading lines. And so what I'm doing to catch up to that, I'm making TikToks.
Okay.
So, yeah, I need to do something. So yeah. So one of my friend has also, like, everybody is doing some creative things. So one of my friend and me have also come up with this. It's a mini web series. So only the teaser is there, which we have uploaded. So though we have shot some episodes, actually it's like 2 3 3 4 minutes
Okay.
series, like that. So this is what we are doing to engage ourselves. So
Oh.
soon people will be entertained with that.
All right, that's a good thing you're doing that because a lot of people have been away from the camera, and I know what's gonna happen when the camera starts once again after 2 months. So let's hope for
Yeah.
that. Okay, so I have some quarantine questions prepared for you. These are some social media questions, all right, that people regularly ask on social media. So the first question that I get usually is like, if you had to choose a lockdown partner for yourself, who
Hmm.
would be that partner that you would choose for you as your lockdown partner or something?
Partner, as in partner only.
Yeah,
I would
lockdown
love
partner. You
to
need a partner for the
spend my
love.
time. No, no. Rather than just a partner, I don't think so. I would like to invest a lot with any boy, but I would love to be with my family and
Okay.
make TikToks with them and cook for them, because cooking alone is doesn't make any sense when there is no one to praise.
Hmm.
So what I do, I put the photos on my social media. So
Okay.
at least somebody will pray, okay, it's looking good. So I
All right.
realized that in cooking, you need to get that praise also. That
Okay.
makes a whole sense of cooking. So I would
Alright.
love to cook for my parents and make TikToks with them and invest my quality time with them. Missing them a lot now. It's like 2 months.
But the question was, you have to choose a lockdown celeb partner. It was just a hypothetical question.
You didn't say celeb partner, okay?
I forgot that
I
part.
said
Let me
partner.
start. Let me rephrase again. If you had to choose a lockdown partner who is a celeb, who would you choose for that?
I think that I'll choose Ranbir Kapoor. I think
Okay.
every girl likes Ranbir Kapoor, no? From
Okay.
India, like from Bollywood and from Hollywood. If I'll say, uh, I was watching this show, You, so I really like this Penn Badgley.
Okay.
Maybe.
All right. Two interesting choices. That's a good one. Okay. So the
Yeah.
next question that I have is like, what shows are you guys currently binge watching, and you recommend your fans to watch?
I watched Game of Thrones. So
So
the
late.
best thing in quarantine, like happened to me. Like in quarantine, the best thing can happen is you watch. Please watch Game of Thrones. Like I feel really sorry for those who have been watching it for like every year one season, but it is so interesting to watch all the seasons all together. You get that graph of it, and it is very engaging. So people were thinking when I started that I'll complete it in like a month or so, but I thankfully completed it in 12 days. Like
What are you
it,
saying?
yeah, like
Oh,
day and night. And I am that sort of a person who is like, abhi kya, aage kya, aage kya. I want to know it. I am like, I'm not sleeping. Raat, do din, I'm like awake and watching it. नहीं मुझे जानना है आगे क्या होने वाला है. So like
okay.
that when I'm like literally tired, and then I used to go to sleep. And after that, that was a hangover also. Whenever I used to see any crow outside, like it's a raven. Please tell me
Okay.
the future. So
That's
my
fun.
friends are like, तुम बाद में नहीं कर रही 1 साल बाद ये सब मैंने कहा अभी देखा है मैंने. Let me be in this space. So Game of Thrones, and I've encouraged like I'll not say I did anything, but through all my stories and posts, like whenever I used to see one season, I used to post, I'm seeing this. Everybody got, they also wanted to see it. So many of my friends are seeing it because after seeing all my stories. So I'm like, oh wow,
All right. So you recommend Game of Thrones.
encouraged.
That's it.
Yeah, I recommend it highly.
All right. Cool. So the next question that I have is like, since we all are locked in at home, what is your
Hmm.
least favorite activity and your favorite activity that you like to do at home? Jhadu, pocha, bartan included. Okay.
बर्तन तो आई हेट. मैं तो जब भी बर्तन मांजती हूँ आई ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर माय मेड कब आएगी पता नहीं कब आएगी. So I don't like doing that at all. घर का साफ सफाई I have to do it any which ways. बड़ा दिल विल मार के but I don't like doing it. What I like doing is I'll say exercising.
Okay.
Exercise because it is for us only, and it is like boosting our immune also, which is very much required at this time. Eating healthy food is also required. So yeah, like exercising, I would say, to make yourself fit. What else we can do? Actors, like I'm watching movies also, so that is also one of my,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. So coming back to exercise and workouts, a lot of girls are asking, what workout routine can you recommend to girls to do it at home since the gym and all are locked? So can you
Uh-huh.
recommend few?
I think what I was doing, like from today, like what I was doing is Googling it on like from YouTube. I was searching some exercises and all. So what I wanted, like some exercise, like girls what want, they want some butt exercise and all that. So I searched for all that, and I shot it also. I made a video also, and I uploaded it on my Instagram. So many people are following that routine as well. So it is not like very heavy duty exercise. These are some basic exercises, but if you do them regularly, you can achieve what kind of a butt or what kind of a core you want. You'll have a firm core and butt. So these kind of exercises which I am doing these days. Yeah.
All right. So talking about the other thing is the beauty regime. Okay, a lot of girls ask this question, like, what are actors doing to keep their skin glowing and follow a beauty
Yes.
regime? So if
Yes.
there's some, can you recommend few for them?
Oh yes, yes. Beauty regime is also one thing which I am doing. Because we were shooting all the time and we used to get tired and never we used to come home and we didn't have that much of energy to put a face pack on our face.
Right.
After that, just wash your face. Or many a times we never used to wash before we go to sleep. So these days, this is the best time to get that quality time to self care. And I search for some of the face packs for my particular skin, and I am using that. Like every day I put one or the other face pack, and now my skin is like much better. So yeah, I totally recommend and utilize your time for self care.
All right, that's a very good one. Okay, so talking about coming back to cooking, you've been saying cooking, cooking so many times. Okay, so tell me what is the easiest thing right now to make at home or you want people to experiment with? Tell me, and what you have been cooking
I think
the dish till now.
I cooked a lot. I cooked a lot. I like whatever I feel like cooking. So, abhi recently, I cooked pancake, oat
Hmm.
pancakes. I
Okay.
cooked ragi pancakes as well. I made pakoras. So
Okay.
all these recipes, aloo ke pakora, those were damn tasty. अभी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. That tasty it was. So I cooked puri aloo. I
Mhm.
cooked aloo ka paratha, paneer ka paratha.
Wow.
Uh, yeah, paneer ki sabzi. Um, um, and what else? Many things, yeah. Uh,
Okay, tell me which was the
there were
best one
many
that you
things.
made. Which was the best one?
I really like this aloo ka pakoda and paratha. I really cook good parathas. I realize that I've become a good cook because it is all about what amount of salt you have to put and what amount of all the spices you have to put. So I have kind of got that knack of it, that
Okay.
how, like, when to put, how to put, and how much to put. That sort of, that is the only trick to make it tasty. It is not all the time that एक चम्मच, मैं बहुत ज्यादा ज्ञान दे रही हूँ क्या?
नहीं
Sorry.
अच्छा लगा सुन के ऐसा आई एम थिंकिंग कि आपकी सबसे फेवरेट डिश अभी जो भी रहेगी वो आलू से रिलेटेड रहेगी बिकॉज आलू का पराठा आलू के पकौड़े सो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट
Yeah.
यू लव
So,
आलू
अरे मैंने मेथी के पराठे भी बनाए. मेथी के पराठे. I love मेथी के पराठे. So yeah, so it is like whosoever is a good cook, that is in his hands actually. Because वो हाथ से ही आप डालते हो नमक एंड मसाले ना, तभी टेस्ट आता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो चम्मच से मेजर करके कभी टेस्ट नहीं आता. That I
ऑलराइट
realized.
That's a good one. Okay, so the next question that I have is like, see, a lot of youngsters are getting this fear, or you can say they're scared they're not productive right now. They're taking a pressure of being productive right now. So, according to you, is it okay to take a pressure of being productive right now, or we can wait for this time to get over, and then we can go out in the world and then start being productive again? What do you think about that?
Yes, it is not compulsory. Like some people say कि अभी तो मतलब फतेह हासिल कर लेंगे. It is not possible.
Right,
Like you can utilize this time, but there is no pressure on you कि नहीं भैया इसी टाइम में ही आपको ये सब complete. No, no, no. Don't pressurize yourself. Else आप अपने आप के लिए बेस्ट कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. So it is your body, your mind always tells you कि आपको कितना करना है, and when you want rest also. Because
right,
resting is also very important. आप अगर कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हैं, बट अगर आप वो पढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं, पर your brain stops working at time.
right,
So your brain needs that time to rejuvenate, to refresh again, and then only that brain will grasp something. Exercise में भी अगर आप एक ही exercise हमेशा करते जाओगे, then you become immune to that.
right.
So you should never make yourself immune. You should try something or the else. आप कुछ ना कुछ different करते रहो. ये काम फिर 4 दिन बाद वो कर लेना. मतलब ऐसे routine आप अपना वैसे बनाओ. That will be more productive, I think.
Mhm.
Giving time to yourself as well.
That's a very good advice. People should listen to this advice actually.
Hmm.
So tell me, you said something's going to come up for you. There's a special announcement that you're going to make. So what is in pipeline for you? What is happening next, and where can we see you next?
Oh yes. In like professionally, अभी तो लॉकडाउन वॉकडाउन की स्टोरीज
Hmm.
छोड़ करके, मतलब लॉकडाउन में जो भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं टाइम पास, that is another thing. But I am coming up with a web show, like
Mhm.
on Hotstar, maybe in some other platform. We are not told about which platform it is coming right now, but there is a web show which we were actually doing. First schedule was completed before Holi only,
Okay.
and then after Holi it was scheduled to do our second schedule. So it could not happen actually. So we are just
Right.
waiting when this lockdown will get over and we'll work again and we'll complete our web series, which are really highly interesting. And why I'm saying this, because after taking break from TV, what I did, I was waiting. Like every actor who has worked in TV or anywhere, they get calls. Production houses and casting directors, they all know. So I was also getting many calls from many people. Like this web show is there. I also thought that I'll enter into a web show. But all the web shows were revolving around that bed scene or that smooth scene. I got really frustrated. Like, what is it? Like, I cannot do that. I, as a person, I am not like that. That I want to be recognized as okay. ये तो चलो bed scene कर लेती है. ये तो ये भी कर लेती है. So I was really waiting for some great script to be
Mhm.
a part of. So after rejecting many scripts, then I landed up to this script, and as soon as I heard it, I got really excited because it's very exciting. And when it'll come, and you people will also know what I'm talking about actually.
Okay, because it looks on your face that you're very excited about the series. So
Oh
it will be a
yes,
good shift to see you from TV
it's
to coming to web.
different.
So it will be a very good shift. So we can't hope
Yeah,
for that. Okay, we can't wait for that. We hope it comes. The lockdown gets over soon, and we get to see you on the web screen like everyone else. Best of luck for that, and thank you so much for chatting with me and giving
thank
all the
you.
insights on aloo ke parathe and workouts and beauty routine. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
I'll meet you in person after this is over, and we'll do this properly
Def-
once we are face to face. All right. Thank you so much for giving
Definitely
it.
will do it. Thank you so much. Bye.
Best of luck.